Attention San Diegans! Local and veteran-owned Semper Solaris is proud to now offer air conditioning and heating with a lifetime warranty. That's right, an unheard of lifetime AC replacement warranty. This is the last AC system you'll ever buy. And of course, they're made right here in the USA. Semper Solaris, San Diego's leader in solar, roofing, and battery storage, is offering new AC systems starting as low as $7,495 or payments as low as $74.95. Lower your energy bills and keep your family and pets comfortable. And right now, for the next 10 callers, Semper Solaris will throw in a free NEST thermostat with the purchase of a new AC system. An unheard of lifetime AC replacement warranty. New systems as low as $7,495 or payments as low as $74.95 plus a free NEST thermostat. Visit SemperSolaris.com.